Today we will learn then how to deform this pipe along with this curve. Okay, so let's learn. Okay, create new part, then create a sketch first for the pipe. It should be then finish. Now click structure member. Okay guys, our pipe is created. Now we'll take a 3D sketch for the bending curve. Okay, after this we will click insert, then go in feature, then click on deform. Okay, here we will select curve to curve. Okay, then select this line in this box, and in this box we will select this line. Okay, and here we will select this part. Now you can see the preview. It is bending along this curve, but it's not smooth. So for this we will do, it will move, we will move it at the end. Okay, and then click curve reduction and click this last maximum and this uniform. Okay, now you can see our pipe is bended along this curve smoothly. Okay, click finish.